Today I'm going to show you 3 different ways to use pomegranate seeds in a salad, a dessert and a drink. I've got a whole pomegranate here. I just wanted to show you the areoles inside, and it's all sitting in this membrane, which is why buying the pomegranate out of this case makes it so much easier to use. I'm going to make the salad first, and here in front of me I've got some beautiful picked flat leaf parsley leaves. They're much nicer picked rather than chopped because of the texture that it gives your salad. Into this I'm going to add some lovely chopped dates, and then I've got some roasted chopped almonds. These give it a lovely crunchy texture. The next thing I'm going to be adding in is some lovely feta cheese, some dressing, and this is made with some orange juice, some olive oil and some pomegranate molasses. This dish is one of my favourites to serve alongside some roast chicken. And then finally, I'm going to add in the pomegranate seeds. These are actually called pomegranate areoles, although most people know them as pomegranate seeds. So this is our pomegranate salad finished. I'm going to move on to the dessert. So for our dessert, I'm going to start with some meringue nests. I'm going to be popping some mascarpone onto each one. You could use some double cream if you like. This is a little bit lighter. And then I've got some raspberry and vanilla coulis. Raspberry and pomegranate is a really good mix. We can decorate with some whole raspberries, sprinkle with the pomegranate, and finally a dusting of icing sugar. So I've just finished the dessert and I'm going to move on to the drink. This is going to be a little bit like a Kir Royale. This time I'm going to be using some pomegranate and elderflower cordial. Little tip here, don't buy pomegranate juice, it'll make your drink cloudy. Just pour in amount, a little bit like you would cordial, and then we can top it with some Prosecco. Alternatively, if you don't like alcohol, use sparkling water. This makes a really refreshing summer's drink. And then just to finish it off, why not add those areoles in? So there we go, there's our lovely pomegranate fizz. That's 3 great ways to use pomegranate seeds. For more Waitrose Cookery School recipes, click to subscribe.